Stop scrolling for just a second. If you're planning to start or grow your YouTube channel in 2025, you need to hear this. YouTube isn't the same as last year. Today, I'm walking you through the top 5 YouTube niches that are absolutely booming right now. Niches that can get you views, subscribers, and revenue faster than you think. Ready? Grab your coffee, open a new Google Doc, and let's dive in. First up, AI tools and tutorials. AI is the hottest topic in tech. Everyone's trying to figure out how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway ML, endless content ideas. Show, don't tell, record your screen, walk viewers through results. AI companies will reach out for sponsorships. Second, YouTube Shorts. If you're not making shorts in 2025, you're missing out. YouTube's pushing them hard against TikTok. I've seen creators go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in under a month. Hook in the first 2 seconds, add captions, use trending audio. Third, sustainability and eco-friendly tech. Gen Z cares deeply about the planet, and tech is part of it. Solar-powered gadgets, zero-waste accessories, energy-saving tips. This isn't a trend, it's a long-term movement. Fourth, ASMR with a tech twist. Mechanical keyboard typing, gadget unboxings with crisp sound effects. People are stressed and want relaxing content. ASMR videos have insanely high watch time. Perfect if you want to avoid being on camera. Fifth, VTubers and faceless channels. Some of the fastest growing creators, you'll never see their face. Using AI avatars or 2D models, creators run gaming channels and tutorials without showing themselves. Perfect for multiple channels. So there you have it, the top 5 YouTube niches dominating 2025. Tell me in the comments, which niche do you want to try first? If this gave you ideas, smash that like button, subscribe to Next Gen IT Learning, and turn on notifications. Now stop waiting, start creating, because the best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is right now.